your agriculture news, U.S. and global grain supplies are tightening up, so the grain market is focused on USDA's estimates, specifically how many corn and soybean acres were planted.
And WCIA3's ag reporter Stu Ellis explains more in this report from the farm.
In March, farmers told USDA they would plant about 89.5 million acres of corn and about 91 million acres of soybeans. But planting delays from inclement weather, shortages of grain around the world, and many other issues have pushed and pulled on what actually has been planted. USDA has asked farmers for their corn and soybean acres, and the grain trade's expecting just under 90 million acres of corn and about 90.5 million acres of soybeans. Slightly more corn, slightly less beans than what was projected in March. But the real question is how the markets tend to react to the data. It's not uncommon to see wide price swings when the data is released. Given the fact the current markets starve for fresh fundamental news, the reaction that we may see could be exaggerated and limit immediate market participation. Percentage-wise, corn futures tend to see a big reaction to the June 30th report. The average move on that day of the report's 4%, which would equate to roughly 30 cents this year. There's no well-defined direction in corn movement, though, with futures increasing 7 years, decreasing in 8 years. What's more interesting is that a week after the report, corn futures are trading lower in 10 of the last 15 years. The average percentage of the soybean move in reaction to the June report is less on a percentage, but wider in the value. The average move in the market is 2%. This year, that would be nearly 34 cents. Soybeans have a more defined trend, with futures rising in 11 years and declining in 4 years. Same as with corn, soybeans tend to be trading lower a week after the release. The USDA this morning will also release its quarterly grain stocks report. Markets looking for corn supplies to rise from 4.1 billion bushels a year ago up to 4.25 billion bushels today. Analysts expecting to see soybean supplies rise to 965 million bushels, up from a year ago levels of 769 million. The fireworks will be at 11 local time this morning when the reports are released. That's our report from the farm. I'm Stu Ellis with WCIA3, your local news leader.